Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gabe Hogan, and today I'm going to be talking about how you guys can begin to track your cryptocurrency. Alright, guys, how to track your cryptocurrency and how to really understand if you're in profit or if you're losing money. Alright, guys, but before I get into that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, come here, click the subscribe button, and tick the bell. I'll be giving away free Litecoin every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All you have to do is be subscribed, drop a comment on this video, and make sure your Litecoin address is in the comments. Alright, guys, so I did a video yesterday and I talked about my 5 low market altcoins you can get into and begin to profit. Sorry if I'm not talking very loud, guys. I'm in a hotel this week and it's decently late. You're probably watching this the next day, but I'm trying not to wake up anybody. But I'm excited about the crypto. Alright, guys. So, how to track your cryptocurrency. I'm making this video because you need to know how to track your altcoins. Alright? And they're not going to be on a place like Coinbase. They're not going to be easy to read in a dollar amount. So I wanted to give you guys a tool you can use to be able to track your crypto. Alright, guys, so here's the exact tool that I use right now. Okay, it's called Blockfolio. You can use it if you're an Android user, if you're a iPhone user, it does not matter. If you look down here, they've got it on the App Store, they've got it on the Google Play Store. Alright, so let's get into it. What can it do for you? Why do you need it? Okay, first of all, this is free. This is completely free. Anybody can download it, okay? No price. And this is what it does. I would have showed you guys mine, but I don't want to get into the portfolio. I'm going to save that for the group and save that for some other times, okay? I don't want to show you guys my portfolio just yet. But if you look, you can see this is the home page right here. It's got all your different coins, your percentage gain that you're up, how many, what the dollar value is for your holdings, they call it, how much money you hold for that coin, and then you can stack up and add different coins, okay? If we come up here, you can actually click, you can actually click this plus button right here, and you can add new coins, okay? Once you get to the add new coin page, let's see if I can find an example of it. It's going to look just like this, okay? And then you can actually begin to put in the quantity of the coins you bought, the price you bought them at, the exchange you bought them on. The exchange doesn't really matter. All you have to know is how many of those coins you bought and what the Bitcoin price was for those coins, okay? And it's going to track it the whole time. It's tracking your profit, it's tracking your holdings, it's tracking everything. And not only that, if you look at this right here where it says total portfolio value, you guys see that? So it tracks your total portfolio, the percentage you're up for the day, and the percentage you're up as a whole. Okay, it's also going to tell you what your total portfolio value is right now. Total, the whole thing. It's going to take all your coins, add them up, and it's going to track that on a daily basis. Guys, when I started using this a couple days ago, this was revolutionary. I know I'm late to the boat, and I probably should have been using Blockfolio a long time ago, but now I'm getting into these altcoins. It's so important that you use this. Otherwise, you're not going to know where your coins are at, how they're doing, if you need to sell some, if you need to buy some. You don't know. You don't know. Alright, so that's pretty much Blockfolio. You guys can check it out. It's on the App Store. It's on the Google Play Store. Go download it. It's free. Add your coins. Add how many you bought. Add what the price is, and you're good to go. Alright, guys. And then one more thing before I get off here. If you guys did not know, we're launching my Crypto Mastery course January 22nd. January 22nd. There's a pre-sale bonus right now. The retail price is $700, but until January 22nd, you're going to get a $200 off coupon with the code EARLYBIRD. Right? Pre-sale bonus is the first 100 people. You're also going to get a Ledger Nano wallet completely free, and I'm going to send you a Bitcoin t-shirt. Okay, over $400 in free stuff. I'll leave the link in the description below. You'll be able to check out what all's in the course. I list it all here. I talk about how I did my first $30,000 week in crypto, and there's a whole lot more cool stuff, but I'm not going to go through it. You guys can check it out in the description and in the comments, guys, okay? I appreciate y'all. If y'all enjoyed the video, click the subscribe button, tick the bell. Be watching for more videos from me tomorrow. See you guys. Y'all have a good night.